Hello everyone, I'm nutritionist Bhavani Swaminathan and welcome to Akanksha Desire for Wellness. What is aging process? Your body goes through a variety of changes throughout the normal aging process. Getting older means you will be facing changes in your body cells, tissues and organs which affect the functioning of all your bodily systems. Muscle mass starts to decrease, your metabolism slows down and you may become prone to an array of chronic conditions. Although aging is unique to every individual and we all face these changes in one way or the other as we continue to add candles to our birthday cakes. Anti-aging is possible only when the process of regeneration is dominant over degeneration. In regeneration, the cells replace themselves with stronger cells, and whereas in degeneration, the cells are replaced with weaker cells. Process of degeneration is called as aging and process of regeneration is called as anti-aging. Aging in a person is associated with physical, mental, psychological and social change. In this video, I'll be sharing few ways to age as gracefully as possible while time will continue to move forward. By taking some steps, you can ensure that you are aging as healthy as possible while enjoying the highest quality of life. There are 5 ways to do this: diet, exercise, sleep, meditations and skincare. The first and most important thing is what you eat has a profound effect on the cells in your body. Make sure that you consume plenty of water, fresh and seasonal vegetables and fruits, healthy fats. Avoid refined sugar, processed food, trans fats, alcohol and limit your caffeine intake. Exercise is shown to improve your mood and decrease feelings of depression, anxiety and stress. Exercising your facial muscle will tone the face and reduce wrinkle and offer facial rejuvenation. Exercise also aids in weight loss and is very good for muscle and bones. It increases the energy levels and reduces risk of chronic diseases. It can also improve skin health as well as exercise increases body's production of neutral antioxidants which help to protect the cells and stimulate blood flow. Third one is meditation. That is, people who meditate lead a happier life compared to people who do not meditate. Meditation is known to enhance the flow of constructive thoughts and positive emotions. Meditation helps to manage anxiety, stress and depression. Research studies have shown that aging caused by stress can be reduced by adopting stress management technique and social connections which can slow down the aging process. Good sleep is very important as sleep is involved in healing and repairing of heart and blood vessels. Sleep deficiency is linked to increased risk of heart disease and kidney disease and high blood pressure, diabetes and obesity as well. Good sleep can improve immune function and it can also improve concentration and productivity. Minimum 5 hours of uninterrupted night sleep is very important. Skin care is equally important. Wash your face twice a day and exfoliate and moisturize with a good moisturizer, and as a protective layer of your skin, apply sunscreen. This will protect against wrinkles and skin cancer and allow some repair of the damaged skin. Listening to music, dancing, reading books, adopting social management techniques are few more things by which you can slow down the aging process. Please do like and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any query related to health, diet and nutrition, you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description box. So let's make our lives healthier and happier.